Good morning. As you know, today's my topic is about MS Excel 2007. This is for learners. Please follow these steps, like, subscribe, and share it. MS Excel. So, as you know, that MS Excel is an electronic spreadsheet program. As you know about Windows operating system, in Windows operating system, the MS Word uses for creating the spreadsheets. In this chapter, we will introduce to you that Excel window. You use the window to interact with Excel. Firstly, we tell about how to open the MS Excel worksheet. Then click on Start button. Steps that are same as you follow in Microsoft Office Word 2007. Click on All Programs. Then select the Microsoft Office and select Microsoft Excel 2007. Otherwise, you also write here as you found Microsoft Office Excel 2007, then select it, maximize it. As you look that this is your Excel program. This program is used to creating the Excel or spreadsheet programs. Microsoft Office Excel is an electronic spreadsheet. It is used to organize your data into rows and columns. You can also use to perform mathematical calculation quickly in this program. Next, we tell about spreadsheet appears. That this is your office button, which is the uses of office button. In the upper left corner of the Excel 2007 windows, the Microsoft Office button appears. If you select Office button, then you see new, open, save as, print, prepare, send, publish, or close. These keys are used to operate your spreadsheet program. As you know that there are so many tabs and other things available on your desktop. So I introduce it that you look Microsoft Office Excel. This is your title bar where you look save, undo and redo option. This is your access toolbar and where your programs show Microsoft Excel. This is your title bar. What is title bar? The title bar show your programs or file name. That as you look home, insert, page layout, that's our tab, and here you look these options. These options is in ribbon. This is called ribbon. In Microsoft Excel 2007, you use the ribbon to issue the commands. As you look, there are so many commands. As you select the font, then there are so many types of fonts If you increase or decrease the size, there are so numbers are a shortcut to increase or decrease the font. You choose the bold, italic or underline to creative attractive fonts, and color it also. This is for your writing work is in left side, right side or center. This is your alignment. Next, I tell you about workbook. What is workbook? When you start MS Excel, you open a file, it is called a workbook. This is your book. As you look, this is book 1 and these are sheets. And next point is worksheets. What are worksheets? Worksheets are divided into rows and columns and cells. What is cell? This is your cell which is used to make your data. These rows and columns, combination of rows and columns, intersection of rows and columns are called cell. Here you look, each column is alphabetic heading. These A, B, C, D, E are alphabets. So these are columns. Columns at the top. And numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. That's are rows. Very good. Next, there are how many rows and how many columns on your worksheet? Find it. Next option is formula. If you want to use any type of formula in your spreadsheet program, that you know that spreadsheet program or MS Excel is used for calculations, complex calculations, financial calculations. So many types of calculations are used for calculate the value correctly and quickly. So I tell you that if we select or click on any cell, this is called active cell. So this is your active cell where black border as you saw, that is your active cell. Okay, this is your black border, this is active cell. Okay, how many? As you look, that numbers are rows and alphabets are columns. If you want to move left, right, up, down your cell, then press arrow keys. As you know, there are 4 arrow keys on your keyboard: up, page down, home and end. There are 4 keys on your keyboard. Next option for you, that's how to create a worksheet. As you look, there are rows and column, and combination of rows and columns is called cell. So how to create your, as you look, this is your first book sheet, Marcus Manda stationery shop. Here type these sentences of information. You can increase or decrease also, as you look. Okay, size of the cell. Okay, next option is how to calculate the value on MS Excel. You create this sheet, but next problem to calculate the value of this sheet. Use calculator. Use calculator to calculate the value. Otherwise, use rough register for calculate a value. This is very long process. I give you a short process in MS Excel to calculate the value. As you look that there are some functions. Yes, these functions are used to calculate the value. If you want to do some calculation, average, if, hyperlink, count, max, so many types of functions, all financial, data and time, mathematical and triangular, statistical. How as you know that there are so many types of functions available on your MS Excel program, so you want to calculate the sum value. As you know, if any type of formula we use, then press the equal sign firstly. We press the equal sign firstly to calculate the value. Next, how to calculate the value? Write the function name sum. What's the problem? Don't use calculator. What is the problem? Yes, you ready to calculate the values, press equal sign and then write the formula or function. As you want to sum, then click here, write sum. Press equal sign and write sum and use the bracket and type the values. As this is your cell address, this is your cell address, that is C column and 5 is row. This is your cell address. If you want to plus it, then give the plus sign and the last value of this cell is, that is address C and row value is 9, is it C9. Then close the bracket and press enter key. This is wrong because this formula is not used to this program. As you write, option is sum. Okay, sum, then press the value. You use comma also and write the bracket. There are so many types of functions, using functions types. As you type with comma sign, if you have more numbers, then press comma 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 comma. Otherwise, you also to type that the C5 comma C6 comma C7 comma C8, then press enter. Also give a correct value. Okay, this is quickly program to give the result. Then how to calculate this value? This is also used to sum function and give the bracket and give the first value cell address comma the last cell address and then close your bracket and press enter key. This is wrong or right? Check it. equal sign, sum, and press, comma, press, comma, d7, comma, d8, comma, d9, and calculate the value, enter. Yes, this is right. So as you know that how to calculate the value, what is cell address, what is the sum, subtraction, multiplication, average, counts, minimize, maximize, sorting of data, ascending or descending order. There are so many tabs. As you want to insert a picture, clip art, shapes, you want to draw a chart. There are so many types of charts, as a column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, scatter chart, and other chart. As you look today, so many types of charts available on your newspapers. As you, there are so many types of formulas are also. If you want to sum, as you look that today you calculate the auto sum function. This is I want to use these functions, sum function, minimize, maximize, are so many types of functions. But if you want to the calculate auto sum function, then it gives a value directly. Okay. Recently used, financial, logical, text, date and time. So many types of formulas available in this program. Next is insert page layout. If you want to margin our page, orientation as a landscape and portrait, size of the page. If you want to select the size of the page, by default A4 size, later selected. If you want to select A5, A3, are so many types of if you want to develop envelope, so you can also create it. Print area, color the page, background. Okay, so many. Do it and learn it. If you have any query, then contact me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Welcome to watching the video. Like, subscribe and share it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good day.